Welcome to Module 5, Unlock Capabilities with OKRs. In this module, we'll explore how objectives and key results, or OKRs, can be a powerful framework for driving strategic initiatives and unlocking the critical capabilities within your organization. First, let's talk about OKRs. OKRs are a goal-setting framework that help organizations define and achieve measurable goals. The objective is what you want to achieve, a clear, ambitious, and inspiring goal. The key results are specific, measurable actions that help you know when you've reached your objective. They provide a clear path to success, ensuring that everyone in the organization is aligned and moving in the same direction. Now let's define capabilities. In the context of your organization, capabilities are the skills, tools, processes, and resources that enable you to achieve your strategic objectives. These are the building blocks of success. Whether it's the ability to develop new products, improve customer service, or leverage data for better decision making, capabilities are what empower your organization to execute its strategy effectively. So how do OKRs and capabilities connect? Setting the right OKRs helps you to identify and focus on the capabilities that need to be developed or strengthened to achieve your goals. In other words, OKRs guide on what you need to achieve, while capabilities show you how to get there. By aligning your OKRs with the capabilities that matter the most, you can drive meaningful progress and ensure that your organization is always moving toward its strategic objectives. In the following slides, we're going to dive deeper into the pyramid framework that links strategy, capabilities, OKRs, and features. We'll also discuss how to set effective OKRs, identify and unlock key capabilities, and align them with your strategic goals. By the end of this module, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use OKRs to drive the capabilities that will propel your organization to success. So let's get started by exploring the pyramid framework that will guide our understanding of how to unlock capabilities with OKRs. Let's dive deeper into how OKRs fit within a strategic framework that can help your organization unlock its full potential. We'll explore using a pyramid model where each layer builds upon the one below it, creating a powerful structure for success. At the base of the pyramid, we have features. Features are the specific products, services, or functions that your organization delivers. They are tangible outputs that stem from your organization's capabilities. For instance, in the context of a data product, a feature might be a user-friendly dashboard that provides real-time analytics. Next, we have OKRs. These stand for objectives and key results. This is where the magic happens. OKRs are the mechanism that drive focus and alignment across the organization. By setting clear objectives and measurable key results, OKRs guide the organization toward achieving its strategic goals. But more importantly, they serve as a catalyst for unlocking the capabilities needed to deliver on those objectives. Above OKRs, we have capabilities. These are the essential skills, tools, processes, and resources that your organization needs to develop in order to achieve OKRs. The role of OKRs is crucial here. They identify the gaps in your current capabilities and highlight where investment or development are needed. For example, if an OKR is to improve data accuracy by 20%, this OKR may unlock the need to enhance data governance capabilities or invest in better data processing tools. At the top of the pyramid is strategy. Strategy sets the long-term direction and goals for the organization. It determines what the organization aspires to achieve at a macro level. OKRs are tightly aligned with this strategy, ensuring that the capabilities developed are not just random improvements, but deliberate strategic investments that push the organization closer to its overreaching goals. So now let's focus on how OKRs unlock capabilities. When you set an OKR, you're not just setting a target, you're also identifying what's necessary to achieve it. This often reveals gaps in your organization's current capabilities. For example, if your objective is to reduce customer churn, the key result might involve improving customer support responsiveness. To achieve this, you may need to develop a new training program, implement advanced customer service tools, or restructure them. In this way, OKRs actively drive the development of new capabilities that might not have been prioritized otherwise. So let's talk about connecting the layers. In essence, the pyramid framework shows how everything is connected together. Strategy defines the goals, OKRs translate those goals into actionable steps, and in doing so, unlock the necessary capabilities to achieve them. Finally, these capabilities enable the creation of features that deliver real value to your organization and its customers. With this understanding of how OKRs unlock capabilities within the strategic pyramid, we're ready to explore how to effectively set OKRs in the next slide. Now that we've explored the pyramid framework and how OKRs unlock capabilities, let's focus on how to set effective OKRs. The process of setting OKRs is critical because it determines how well your organization can align its efforts and resources to achieve strategic goals. What makes an effective objective? First, an effective objective is clear, compelling, and aligned with the broader strategy of your organization. It should inspire action and focus, acting as a North Star that guides your team's efforts. Objectives should be ambitious yet achievable, pushing your team to stretch their capabilities without setting them up for failure. For an example, an objective might be to increase customer satisfaction to industry-leading levels or develop a new product line that captures a significant market share. Defining key results. While the objective tells you what you want to achieve, the key results tell you how you will measure success. Key results need to be specific, measurable, and time-bound. They are the concrete milestones that will indicate whether you're on track to meet your objective. Typically, each objective will have 3 to 5 key results. For instance, if your objective is to increase customer satisfaction, your key results might include reduce average response time by 50%, achieve a 4.8 star rating on customer reviews, and decrease customer churn by 10%. These key results provide a clear, quantifiable path to achieving the objective. To be truly effective, OKRs should align with the capabilities your organization needs to develop or enhance. This alignment ensures that the efforts to achieve OKRs are building the necessary skills, tools, and processes that will support long-term success. For example, if an OKR is focused on improving data accuracy, this may drive the need to enhance data processing capabilities, invest in better analytics tools, or develop more robust data governance practices. While setting OKRs may seem straightforward, there are common pitfalls to avoid. One mistake is setting too many OKRs. This can dilute focus and overwhelm your team. Another pitfall is setting objectives that are too vague or key results that are not truly measurable, which can lead to confusion or misalignment. It's important to avoid setting OKRs in isolation. They should be developed with input from across the organization to ensure that they're realistic and aligned with broader goals. Now let's take a look at an example of 2 well-defined OKRs. These OKRs are clear, aligned with the strategy, and include measurable key results that'll drive the necessary capabilities to meet the objective. By setting effective OKRs, you can create a powerful focus within your organization. This ensures that everyone is working towards the same strategic goals while developing the capabilities necessary for long-term success. Now that we've discussed the importance of aligning OKRs with your strategy, let's focus on how to monitor and measure the progress of your OKRs. Regular monitoring is essential to ensure that your organization stays on track, makes necessary adjustments, and ultimately achieves its strategic goals. Monitoring your OKRs is not just about checking boxes. It's about ensuring that your actions are actively moving you towards your objectives. By regularly tracking progress, you can identify any roadblocks early on, adjust your strategies, and make data-driven decisions to help your organization stay on course. This process helps maintain momentum and accountability throughout the organization. To effectively monitor your OKRs, it's important to use the right tools and techniques. There are several software platforms available that can help you track progress in real time. However, the tool that you choose should align with your organization's size, complexity, and specific needs. One of the most effective ways to keep your OKRs on track is through regular check-ins and reviews. This can be in the form of weekly team meetings, larger monthly progress reviews, or quarterly strategy sessions. During these check-ins, you should assess where you stand on each key result, discuss any challenges or changes in priorities, and realign efforts if necessary. This ensures that OKRs remain dynamic and responsive to the changing business environment. Data plays a crucial role in measuring the success of your OKRs. For each key result, you should have clear metrics that indicate progress. These metrics should be specific, measurable, and relevant to the objective. For example, if a key result is to increase website traffic by 30%, your metric could be the number of unique visitors. By using data to track these metrics, you can make informed decisions about where to focus your efforts and resources. Now, despite your best efforts, sometimes progress toward an OKR might stall or fall short. This is where the flexibility of OKRs comes into play. If a key result isn't progressing as expected, it's important to diagnose the issue. Was it a lack of resources? Are there external factors? Or perhaps you set an overly ambitious target, and then you need to adjust your approach accordingly. This could mean reallocating resources, revisiting the key result, or even redefining the objective. You need to celebrate wins and learn from setbacks. First, monitoring progress isn't just about identifying problems. We need to celebrate successes with the whole team. When a key result is achieved, take the time to acknowledge the effort and recognize everyone's contributions. This not only boosts morale, but also reinforces the behaviors and practices that led to that success. On the flip side, if an OKR isn't met, use it as a learning opportunity to understand what went wrong and how to improve in the future. Now that we've discussed OKR implementation, it's time to put what you've learned into practice. In this interactive activity, you'll create your own OKRs and create a capabilities map. This exercise is designed to help you apply the concepts in a way that's directly relevant to your organization or a project that you're working on. So first, let's start by defining your objectives. Think about a significant goal you want to achieve in your organization or team. It could be related to improving customer satisfaction, launching a new product, increasing efficiency, or any other strategic priority. Your objectives should be clear, compelling, and aligned with your broader organizational goals. Write down these objectives and make sure it's something that inspires action and focus. Next, it's time to identify the key results that will help you measure progress towards your objective. Remember, the key results should be specific, measurable, and time-bound. Ask yourself, what milestones or outcomes will indicate that you're on track to achieve your objective? You should come up with 3 to 5 key results, each of which should provide a clear metric for success. Write down these key results in the template and ensure that they are realistic yet ambitious. Now we're going to create a capability roadmap. This roadmap will outline the steps you need to take to develop or enhance the required capabilities. Prioritize these steps based on their impact on achieving your OKRs and the resources available. Your roadmap might include actions such as training programs, technology upgrades, enablers, or process improvements. This roadmap will serve as your guide to unlocking the capabilities needed to reach your objectives. Now, once you've completed both the OKRs and the capabilities map, take a moment to share it with your team or a peer. Getting feedback is crucial, as this is going to provide you with new perspectives and it's going to help refine your approach. Discuss your objectives, key results, and capability roadmap, and be open to suggestions for improvement. This collaboration will not only strengthen your plan, but ensure alignment with others who may be involved in achieving these goals. Finally, take some time to reflect on this activity. What did you learn about the process of setting OKRs and mapping capabilities? Did you identify any challenges or areas where further development is needed? Reflecting on these insights will help you to improve your approach to OKRs in the future and ensure that you're better prepared to lead your organization towards success. By engaging in this activity, you've taken a significant step toward mastering the OKR framework and understanding how to align it with your organization's capabilities. In the next slide, we'll summarize the key takeaways from this module and discuss how you can apply these insights to your ongoing work. As we come to the end of this module, let's take a moment to recap what we've covered and highlight the key takeaways that you can apply to your work. This summary will help reinforce the concepts and ensure that you're ready to implement OKRs and unlock capabilities within your organization. First, we began by introducing the concept of OKRs, objectives and key results. And we explored how they serve as a powerful framework for driving strategic goals within an organization. We then discussed the importance of identifying and unlocking the capabilities required to achieve those OKRs, using the pyramid framework to show the relationship between strategy, capabilities, OKRs, and features. We also dived into the process of setting effective OKRs, ensuring that they're specific, measurable, and aligned with your organization's strategic goals. Monitoring and measuring progress was also another critical focus area, and this highlighted the importance of regular check-ins, data-driven decision-making, and flexibility in adjusting goals as needed. Here are the key takeaways from this module. Effective OKRs align with strategy. OKRs should always be aligned with your organization's long-term strategy to ensure that every effort contributes to the overall goals. Unlock capabilities through OKRs. Setting OKRs not only defines what you want to achieve, but also drives the development of the capabilities needed to get there. Set clear and measurable key results. Key results should be specific, measurable, and time-bound, providing a clear path to achieving your objectives. Regular monitoring is essential. Continuous monitoring and regular check-ins are crucial for staying on track, making adjustments, and ensuring that OKRs remain relevant and achievable. Flexibility and adaptability. Be prepared to adjust your OKRs and capabilities roadmap as needed, based on the data and feedback you gather during the monitoring process. And finally, celebrate success and learn from setbacks. Recognize and celebrate when key results are achieved with the team, and use setbacks as learning opportunities to improve future performance. As you move forward, think about how you can apply these insights to your own organization or projects. First, start by setting clear and aligned OKRs. Focus on unlocking the necessary capabilities and maintain a regular cadence of monitoring and adjusting your goals. By doing so, you'll be better equipped to drive meaningful progress and achieve your strategic objectives. Now, thank you once again for your engagement throughout this module. The knowledge and tools you'll gain here are going to be invaluable as you continue your journey in mastering OKRs and driving organizational success. In our next module, we're going to build on these concepts and explore how to scale and enhance your data products for even greater impact. I look forward to continuing this journey with you.